Hi guys, drive-thru try guys. Drive-thru tayo dito sa may McDonald's Green Hills. Welcome to McDonald's Green Hills. Wait lang guys, order tayo sandali. Thank you for watching. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hi po, good afternoon.
Hi. Dalawang Big Mac a la carte.
Ano pa po?
Yun lang po, that's all.
First window na lang po for payment. Thank you.
Oh, sige, thank you. Bye. Yan na guys, nag-order na ako ng dalawang Big Mac dito sa Green Hills McDonald's beside Krispy Kreme. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye. Ayan na. Pay here. Hello ma'am.
344.
Okay. Guys, next na tayo doors na pick up. Alright, thank you for watching. Okay na daw, nandiyan na yung order. Nandiyan na yung order. Alright, thank you for watching.